Got him. Got him. Okay, got him. That one came out of the rocks. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. There we go, baby. Oh! That's a big one. That's a big one. That's a big one. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Holy cow. Holy cow, y'all. Holy cow, y'all. Oh my God. This is my PB. Oh my God. This is my PB. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that fish. Look at that fish, y'all. That came right out of the rocks. Oh, that came right out of the rocks. Mm-mm. All right. Let's get a weight on you real quick. Out of battery. Dang it. All right, let me see if I can find some battery. Put this in there for now. Look at the size of that thing. Oh my God. Look at the belly on that thing. Okay, let's see. Look at her. Just surfing water. Oh my God, that is crazy. That is crazy. Okay. Let me show this. Get some water. Oh my God, that was my. There we go. She's starting to swim up now. Look at the back on that thing. Look at that. Holy cow. All right, let's see what you weigh, big girl. God, the mouth is so big I can barely get the scale on it. Okay. All right, we zeroed out. Let's see here. Oop. Oh man, that is not my PB. Let's see this. Clear it. Okay. Okay, let's clear it. Okay. Okay, scale zero out. Okay, it is a 8.3. An 8.3, y'all. Wow. 8.3. It's my second biggest fish this year. 8.3, y'all. Not my PB. But boy, that is a giant bass, y'all. That's what we come out here for. Look at that thing. Yeah. Look at that thing, y'all. Look at the size of that mouth right there, y'all. Look at that. All right. Thank you, girl. I appreciate you. All right, go get bigger. Look at Lake Lewisville. Put her back. Thank you, girl.